Meet the Expert, a knowledge-sharing initiative of your knowledge partner, the Developing Bangladesh. We discuss on trade, investment, commerce, education, skills, economic development, global peace and prosperity, etc. issues. If you are interested to these issues, please subscribe to the channel. Developing Bangladesh, your knowledge partner, please subscribe now.
And this is the figure show how to take the lateral shoots by this. This is also all the lateral shoot. We need to take it from time to time, not make it big. You need to take it first to first. You take it easy by hand. If left it for 3 days to 5 days, it will be branched. It take all the food from the main plant, and then the tomato, it become very small, like a lemon. So we need to take it, yeah. And this is, it show the tomato plant, and this is like sucker. We need to take it, this sucker, take it, and also can make axis for the tomato. Can axis of the flowering for 5 to 6 flower. It make big, depend on varieties. This is show the tomato for the leaves. This is leaf remove sucker, and this is above. Also we need to remove, just to training the labor for every greenhouse. We need to training, and then every greenhouse should be have the leader. That leader is sponsor for on their colleagues. We need to show the pollination. We have a lot of type of pollinator for tomato. This machine we use for pollination to release the pollen grain. For pollen grain to get is a good tomato. So like this can be do it like this. It's very easy. You see the tomato after pollination, it is very good. And also it can be used by bumblebees. Also use the bumblebees, but the bumblebees, it sometimes have a problem. If you are spraying insecticide, we need to take the cell of the bumblebees from the greenhouse we have want to spray. We need to transfer to another one, and after 24 hours, we need to get it back. Also, you can use for pollination such as like a machine is a Fugger machine. It's very easy to release the air. And also, if they don't have a lot of labor, it also can make this fun 1 hour. The best time to do the pollination, it is 9 o'clock in the morning, because this time it is the pollen, it is very active. So it is best important to know which is the time. The time is good time from 9 o'clock in the morning. It will be good for pollination. If you don't have, you can just checking the wraps that is hang the tomato one by one. Also, it is very easy. This is the type of the bumblebees. This is the development stage of the tomato. A type of the pollination type, and also you see how the bumblebees, it can be work. It take the pollen grain from the flower to the flower. It make it very, very good. This is the tomato cluster that is we use in one greenhouse like bumblebees. It is a homogeneous. It is very good. It have long shelf life. It can be storage about 1 month, even more than. This is a type of tomato. We have different type. We use one is rock wall, and this use the normal dish bucket with perlite and special stone here in Saudi Arabia. This is the type of bumblebees we use. Type of pollination by branch. And then if you have a large field, it just can buy a stick. As you can see here, this lever, it just touch the wire, and then can be also very easy and very fast. We need also some time to do the axis to get the tomato cluster by 5 to 6. We need a big tomato, so we need to reduce the cluster, some tomato. Choose a small one. That is small one, no need. Take it out, left 5 to 6. It make a big tomato, not something like that. And also this is a control. We do some experiment to know if the left of the cluster as it is, as you can see here, untreated control. If they make axis after 4 to 6 months harvesting, we need the tomato, it become very long. So the transmission of nutrition, it become very difficult in hydroponic. So we need to make axis 4 to 5 to 6, 4, 5 to know what's the weight of tomato. You see here, it's good after near to termination of tomato. We make it only 4 to 3. And this is in the middle after the 12 to 15 cluster, we make it like this. So if they left it as it is, so the tomato, it can be not homogeneous. One is big and one is small. So is that the problem? Also, we need to do many companies, they release supporter clips around it. We get it from many companies. We get it from Turkish. We get it from China. That is supporter. If left tomato as it is, so the branch is broken. So the branch is broken. So we lost the cluster. So we need to use this. And also after the final tomato, we need to cut the apical plant. We need to cut the apical plant to finish the cycle of tomato, because the tomato after 6 months to 7 months production, so it become the product, it become very low. So we need to stop the duration of tomato. So we need to cut the apical plant. We left only 5 to 6 cluster on the plant. So as you can see, we just keep it for tomato in cluster, as you can see here. Also, we need to do something that is during the summer. During the summer, so maybe the temperature outside is very hot. In case of Saudi Arabia, the temperature outside it is about 4 to 6, and inside the greenhouse it's maybe near to 36. So we need to reduce. So we need to do some shading. We have a lot of we do this shading by screen. Our can make the painting for the roof of the plant during the summer. And this is the type of material where we are used. This is the material we are used. This material. The way for to do the cutting like this by machine. If they have a small the greenhouse, it can also do it by spray. It depends on the equipment where we have. And there's some, if you have a large project, so you can do it by helicopter cutting. It's very easy. This coating doing for reduce the temperature inside the greenhouse. You use this machine. We use also this, and then after the temperature it become good. Like nowadays during the October, we need to remove the cotton, because the day it become very short during the winter. So we need to reduce to take it outside. You can see if this photos to do it. during the summer. As you can see, the date of this, it is 20th of June. When the temperature rising down, so we need to remove it just by water. If the rain is coming, that is good. It can be removed for you. This is the type of cotton. And also we need to protect the cooling pad, not enter any type of insect. So we need to do this type of the shedding for protection from entering outside. There is outside many type of insects such as Tuta absoluta, whitefly, and other insects. So this they protect from insect and also the same time from the dust, because we are here desert area, so the dust also is a problem, and also the dust, it can bring also other type such as spider mite and so on. We remove after during the cool down temperature, so we need to remove the cotton like this. So also in hydroponic, also we need to know about the substrate and substrate system. There is a lot of type of substrate around the world. There is the rock wall, cocoa bed, perlite, peat moss, and so on. And some people use in slab, some people use in dish bucket, some people use in normal. Depend on the plant where you are this plant you want to grow. You want to grow vegetables, so we need to choose the right way for the hydroponic system. You want to grow for leaves, microgreen, so we need to know what want to need about this. So also you need to know about which substrate characteristics and which the capacity exchange for ion and cation, and what's the depend on plant where you want, so you can choose the right way for which substrate and substrate system.
Developing Bangladesh, your knowledge partner. We take care of trade and investment, education and skills, economic diplomacy and economic development. If you would like to keep you updated on these issues, please subscribe to Developing Bangladesh. Thank you very much for watching till the last.